Hello, greetings from Booneri. In today's topic of animal world, we will see which animal can never die. How can an animal live forever? Let's watch ahead. Jellyfishes have no brain, no heart, no bones, and not even eyes. They are made up of a smooth jelly-like body and tentacles. There are many different species of jellyfishes, but one of them is really unique. It's named Turritopsis dohrnii. Scientists call this species as being immortal. In the recent years, this species has spread rapidly through the world oceans. This jellyfish is different. How? It grows from a small egg to a fully mature jellyfish and then goes back to its original form. For example, you can imagine it this way. It's same like we grow from childhood to adulthood to old age and then go back to our childhood again. That's how this jellyfish is. How is that possible? Let me explain. How does the Turritopsis dohrnii begin its life? The Turritopsis dohrnii start their life from an egg. They turn into a free-swimming larvae known as planula. These larvae then settle down on the seabed and they start forming polyp colonies. New jellyfishes pop up from the polyp. The jellyfishes that pop up from a polyp are identical. They are like newborn twins. All these identical looking creatures then turn into a medusa or what we call a jellyfish. These newborn jellyfishes are about 1 millimeter in size, and after a couple of weeks they start growing into an adult. The adult jellyfishes have about 80 to 90 tentacles. Now, what happens after it becomes an adult? Watch ahead. If the adult jellyfish is threatened by any other predator or is sometimes injured or is starving for food, it sinks to the seabed. Once it's down on the seabed, it then converts itself into a blob and returns to the polyp state as before from where it started. It starts a new polyp colony and makes newborn ones again. This process is quite rare in the animal kingdom. This process can go on indefinitely and their life cycle keeps going on and on from the planula to polyps, then turning into an adult jellyfish and going back to becoming a planula. Hence, this jellyfish is called immortal. This doesn't mean that the jellyfish can never die. Rather, it just means the ability to never age. It can go back to its childhood repeatedly. But there's a risk to their lives too. What's that? These jellyfishes are likely to fall victim to dangerous hazards such as eaten by predators or succumbing to a disease. So the question was, can a jellyfish live forever? The answer is no. But if there's no risk for its life, it can go on and on without aging.